Hi there, and cheers for joining us today on Andy Robinson RC. And today, as you can see, we're out running the Kyosho Fazer Mk2 1970 Dodge Charger in that awesome Hemi orange. So here it is. It's the four-wheel drive car. So I don't think Dodge Charger was strictly four-wheel drive, but this one is. Okay, so this is my second attempt at filming this one today. We were out the other day doing this, and Dippy here forgot to change the plug on the ESC from the LiPo setting to the NIM setting. Now, I run NIM batteries in all my cars, so unless you do that, you're going to find it going around very slowly, which is not ideal. Anyway, so after finding out what was wrong with it, we're back here filming. From that little shot there, you've just seen this going around. It's so nice to drive. It just sort of like drifts around. It's good fun. I say first time I've had one of the Kyosho Fazer chassis, but yeah, so far impressions are good. Now we're going to do some more running of it in a minute, but negative points, it's a bit on the noisy side for my liking. Don't know why. The motor's all meshed up, it's all greased up as it should be, so I don't know if it's just a combination of the driveline and the 550 brush motor. I don't know. If you've got one of these and yours sounds the same or it sounds different, then do let me know in the comments. Also, if you didn't see our unboxing of this, I'll put the link to that in the comments as well. But yeah, so I think that looks absolutely stunning. I'll whip the body off as well so you can look underneath, so you can have a close-up on that. And also as well, if you can see there, I didn't realise, which I didn't mention on the unboxing, that it's got hex drive screws in there to keep the wheels on, rather than the traditional M4 wheel nuts. So yeah, most cars have nuts. So yeah, I thought I'd point that one out. Also as well, those tyres, I love them. And I didn't notice actually just until the other day, if you look at the back there, there isn't, there's less wheel rim there, and it's a conical shape basically, and obviously it's deeper there because of the style of the wheel. But a lot of manufacturers are doing that now on some of their cars. But yeah, I've not had it on one of mine before. Right, anyway, we'll put this back down and get it running again, and then as promised, I'll just show you the chassis with the body off at the end of the video. But yeah, so major complaints, none really, just the noise of it. It's a bit, it almost sounds like it's not meshed right, but it is. It's just maybe the way it is. But anyway, let's go. Actually, it's so easy to drive. I don't know, it must have been, we were at the other end of the car park the other day, and it was sliding all over the place, but uncontrollably. So I don't know, maybe it's a bit warmer today than yesterday, so the grip's probably up, but I think the surface is probably just a bit better. But yeah, it looks great. You can see, you're just driving around, it just sounds noisy. I mean, if you run this on a LiPo, it'd be really quick. Right, okay, so you get the idea of what it's like, and it is a hoot to drive. Really like how this drives. But what I'll do is, as well, as I said, I'll just whip the body off so you can see underneath as well. And obviously, every seagull in Blackpool has decided to come and join us. Sorry about that. Alright, but there we go, I'll just pick up, there you go. That's the chassis layout there. You can see I'm running it on my Volts NIM 5300 milliamp battery. You've got that big 550 GL 14 turn brush motor there. A bit dusty now. I say it's plenty enough torquey. It is pretty nippy for being a brush setup, and really nice quality shocks. On that, they're all plastic bodies, but you have got the alloy caps. And you might be able to see it better now this time, but if you can just see in there, you've got your fake brake calipers as well, which might not have shown up too well on the last video I did. But yeah, but I'm really impressed with that. I really do like it. It's great fun to drive, and I would recommend this one. Yeah, so there you go. Really, that was the Kyosho 1970 Dodge Challenger on the Fazer Mk2. Actually, I just noticed then, I did mention with the brushless powered Fazer, they've upgraded the prop shaft to an alloy one as well for the brushless powered one. But you could do that to this if you so wish to. But yeah, so there you go. I mentioned we'll leave it there for that one. I hope you've enjoyed this video and watched it going. Anyway, I'll see you all on the next one. Look after yourselves and take care. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like and hit that notification bell. And of course, come check us out on Facebook and Instagram under Andy Robinson RC. Right, take care of yourselves and we'll see you all soon. Bye.